Replacing the incandescent light bulbs located within the trunk, rear cabin dome, map, and vanity on the 2018 Honda Accord is an easy task. I'll have links to the LED bulb kit I used in the description below. We'll start up front with the two overhead map lights. Depress and hold the side of the light closest to the driver and then use a small plastic pry tool to gently extract the cover. Take note of these grooved clasps which hold the cover in place. Be sure not to break these during removal. Follow the same procedure for the light on the passenger side. Either close your doors to make the map light turn off, or wear a pair of utility gloves to remove the hot light bulb. This light is removed by pulling straight down. Repeat the process for the passenger light. We now have both map lights removed. The new LED installs with the contacts facing parallel to the car door. Simply press it straight in. Here's a difference in the lighting between the OEM incandescent and LED lights. Install the second map light. The map light covers snap back into place. Just be sure not to force them and pay attention to the location of the retention clasps. The vanity light cover is removed by depressing the clip at the bottom and pulling out the cover. Gently pry the cylindrical light out of its socket. Hold on to the metal, it's a little cooler than the glass. Insert the replacement light with the LED facing you and return the light cover with the retention tab at the top and the clip to the bottom. The rear dome light cover must be removed by inserting the plastic pry tool between the plastic light housing and the translucent light cover. Gently push and pry to release the cover from the housing. Take note of the tabs that hold it in place. There are 4 of them. Switch the light off and let the bulb cool down. Remove the light by pulling it out towards the left rear passenger behind the driver. You may need to gently press on these metal tabs to bend the metal retention clips to better hold the new bulb. Slide the new LED into place. Return the rear dome light cover back to the assembly with the side with a slot for the switch going in first. Press it into place. The light in the trunk is located in the center at the top of the trunk opening. The release clip for this light is located to the right of the assembly. Depress this and swing the light down. To let the light cool, I'd suggest removing the power cable, depressing the clip here, and then removing the old light bulb. Insert the new bulb, reattach the power cable, and insert the light assembly left side first and press to secure it into place. That's it. Thanks for watching. If you liked it, give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to receive notification of future content.